Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can do this as well. Very simple. I'm adding hangers to this bench that we have in our foyer. It's a request for my husband, better known as Amore. So let me get going and show you how simple this is. I'm going to use this cordless Black & Decker drill. But first, I needed to measure to make sure that I am going to place the hanger in the right place. I make the marks for where the holes will go, and I'm going to drill all 3 holes before I attach the screws to the wood bench. Now I'm going to do the same to the other side of the bench because I'm adding 2 hangers to the bench. Now I'm going to switch the drill bit to a screwdriver bit with an extension so it'll be easier to reach the screws. Now finding the right position of the hanger, I'm going to attach the first screw to my wood bench. Now, the key is not to tighten the screws until the end, so you can have flexibility as you are attaching all the screws to the bench. Now that all of them are in place, you can secure them tighter. And that's it. I hope I'm inspiring you to use power tools. It's not that hard. Now Amore is happy. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Goodbye.